Urobo,
Urobo mena,
Urobo,
Urobo mena, mena, mena.
Urobo,
Urobo mena,
Urobo,
Urobo mena, hey.
Koko Ogbare, Urobo 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 That's where I'm from. Koko Ogbare, Urobo 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 That's where I'm from. Let us celebrate, come together. This is where I'm from. Let us celebrate. You need to know that Urobo land is fun. Let us celebrate, come together. Urobo men are strong. Let us celebrate. Taste the food, you will want some more.
I don't know about you, but I'm proud of my culture. I'm proud of my culture. I go choose up for next life, I not get no option. Now them be the option. Disobey elders and face repercussions. Abominations. Our chiefs, them they active or them they function. Them still they function. Let's talk about the minerals. Resources, no coca, no Fanta. I'm talking about the oil roots. Don't mean don't be rude, but the fumahu. If not for farming, we get cassava. So we counting blessings one another. We black like a panther, but no Wakanda.
Let us celebrate, come together. This is where I'm from. Let us celebrate. You need to know that Urobo land is fun. Let us celebrate, come together. Urobo men are strong. Let us celebrate. Taste the food, you will want some more.
Ome omo Urobo, Urobo mena ojewe no. Equal me.
So I'm looking for best spread. Best spread, best spread. This one is pillowcase.
Pillowcase.
Yeah, it's written here. The pillowcase. Pillow. This one is 15 euro. I'm just laughing now. I'm laughing at you. You see this boy? Godwin. Godwin, please give him the bag. Give him the bag.
Come on,
So I took this one.
Mommy, look.
One hand. Because you have power more than him.
I know have power.
You don't have power.
I can even use this tiny hand. Look.
Liman.
He's just jumping.
No. This is my fatherland. We there everywhere, Dubai, even Netherlands. Steady we rap, we raise the flag, touch the sky, we go never land. Got a big God like we own that tower. We are children of God, sons and daughters. Let's make it a beautiful place. I urge everyone, we can make it better. Why the fishermen be fishing in their boat, the children be sitting on timber that floats. Like King Solomon, God gave us wisdom. I introduce to you my beautiful kingdom. Chief James and I live me, buddy.
Koko Ogbare, Urobo Urobo That's where I'm from. Koko Ogbare, Urobo Urobo That's where I'm from. Let us celebrate, come together. This is where I'm from. Let us celebrate. You need to know that Urobo land is fun. Let us celebrate, come together. Urobo men are strong. Let us celebrate. Taste the food, you will want some more.
Urobo mena. Urobo mena, mena, mena. Urobo mena. Urobo mena, hey.
Koko Ogbare, Urobo That's where I'm from. Koko Ogbare, Urobo
this place is where you can buy building materials like door, any kind of machine that you are looking for. So I already bought mine, I think last week, so I came here to change it. Came here to change it because somebody that is going to help me to fix it said that it's not this type, so I want to change it. Nano say I not be ma, so I don't know the one that they use. No. So this is the one that I bought before. This one. So I came to change it. It's not this type. And I know say I not be ma. I don't know the one that they use. So I came to change it. Oh my god. Oh, Chelsea, please help me to hold it. Hold it now, let me put it inside. Open it. Okay. So I'm waiting for the person that is going to help me to change it. So we have finished setting it. I did not change it again, okay? I was wrong, so I don't know that I have to shift this one a little bit. This is it. So it's now okay. I need lights to buy. You see this student, very stubborn. Leave him now. God will stop. I will allow him to beat you. So these are the lights here. I want to break the light. This one.
If you break it, is it I'll pay?
It's me that will pay. I'll not pay. I'll run away from here. So these are the lights. Yeah. Do you guys like this type?
If you want, you should blind my eye.
Blind your eye? How? Yeah, I don't even like that type. I don't like it. I don't like it. God made different type of lights here. Different type. So I'm going to choose from this one. So I took this one, and this one. I took the both. So if I get home, I'm going to try it. I don't know how to fix it, but I'll try my best. So I'm going to pay for it now.
Let us celebrate, come together, this is where I'm from. Let us celebrate, you need to know that Urhobo land is fun. Let us celebrate, come together.
So guys, I've finished buying my things and now I'm going home. Thank you all for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Okay, please, if you haven't followed me here on my Facebook page, see, I wanted to do so, okay? I'm joking though. Follow me on my Facebook page and also on my YouTube channel, okay? Have a nice day. Bye.
The Fuma who if not for farming we get cassava. So we can